Welcome to the Stacking Magazine project. This is Anne. I'm Marius. Together with vocational trainers, we have developed this project.
The Stacking Magazine is a module that can be integrated into various learning systems. It allows for the continuation of workpieces within the system. The Stacking Magazine consists of mechanical, pneumatic, and electronic components.
You will manufacture the mechanical components of the Stacking Magazine in 4 different courses. For example, the base plate will be created in the drilling and forming course, the supports in the fundamentals of turning course, and some components in the fundamentals of milling course.
In the additive manufacturing course, we will design components and produce them using a printer.
Finally, in the commissioning of the Stacking Magazine course, you will assemble the self-manufactured components along with the standard parts to complete the mechanical assembly of the Stacking Magazine. You will wire it up and, as the course name says, put it into operation. We wish you a lot of fun with this project, your Festo Didactic team.